Hey everyone, this is Stop Motion Pilot here, live in Virginia, in Norfolk, Virginia. This is Norfolk International Airport. Okay, she says hello to YouTube. Say hello to YouTube. Say hello to YouTube. She says hello to YouTube. All right, this video's on YouTube, and we're plane spotting. We're plane spotting in Norfolk International Airport. KORF. Great video. Yeah, there's a plane over there. United, that's U.S. Airways over there. It's about to take, and it's about to take off. It's gonna be like this. It's gonna be like this. Turn around, and then it's gonna take off. All right. All right. It's all the way over there. It's about. I think it's gonna hold. All right. It's gonna hold short. Everyone. It's about to hold short. All right. If you guys think I'm getting a little excited because I've never been here for a while. All right. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's an airplane over there that's about to hold short on the runway. On the runway. This is Norfolk International Airport. Here we go. It's about to make the U-turn. About to make the U-turn. Wait, is it going to the terminal? Is it going back to the terminal? Oh, gee. This is Stop Motion Pilot. I don't know if it's... No! It's making a U-turn. I see it. It's making a U-turn. I can see it. Trying to see closely. Oh. Is it? Should we over there? Well, one just landed earlier. I think I see it. Well, I think I see it moving right now. Alright. Oh no, I think it's going to the terminal. Ah. Yeah, it was going this way, not... It's supposed to go this way, but it was going this way.
Is that one landing?
I think a light.
There it goes. Jordan, look!
Oh, there's one taking off! Dash 8!
Jordan!
Dash 8 up ahead! Okay, everyone, the Dash 8 has taken off. The Dash 8 just took off from the runway. The sun was blinding me, so I couldn't see if you guys could see. Sorry. Woo! Dash 8. Alright. Alright. Dash 8. Alright, everyone, Dash 8 just took off. Woo! Jeez. Okay, everyone. That was Dash 8. Dash 8 took off. It could happen any second now. I don't see any airplane yet. Alright. Okay, Dash 8 is... I wonder what the Dash 8 is. I think it's just... No, it's all the way... It's far away from there. Dash 8's all the way over there. Right. Right.
What's wrong with it?
Alright. This is KORF. Norfolk International Airport. Great place. You see all aircrafts that are over there. Any taking off or landing. If there's any departure or any arrivals, they're taking off from this way and landing all the way up from up there to down there. So you might see it. I can zoom in with my whoa, there's the watchtower over there. Watchtower. Alright. Is there any aircraft? I was gonna take off from the Dash 8. I charged this camcorder. I charged this camcorder. Alright. Terminals. There was one aircraft over there, but I thought it was gonna take off, but it was going into the terminals. Alright. $80. Okay, if I can see an aircraft, I don't know. There is. I can see it. Alright, I don't see any aircraft yet. One aircraft is getting loaded and ready to departure. So there's only one aircraft that departed. And that was the Dash 8 airplane. Propeller, the old airplane, actually. Alright. I wouldn't act this crazy, but this is part 1. Thank you for watching.